Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. So you want every Gumroad buyer added to your Mailchimp email list. It's totally doable in this new version. If you are building a long-term audience, collection buyer emails is more than essential. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to connect Gumroad to Mailchimp using Zapier in 2026, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first and first, we want to access our Gumroad account. How to do so? It's pretty easy. All you're gonna do is open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. Go and look for Gumroad.com, then open this link. Okay, so right now, all you have to do is go and log in using your email address and password to access this dashboard. Here we go. This is our account. Products, collab, checkout, all of this. Now we're gonna go to Zapier.com to create a Zap. How to do so is pretty easy. Select the Gumroad from here, then go and select Mailchimp from the list. As for the trigger, it should be a new sale on Gumroad. As for the action on Mailchimp, it's for you to pick. So you can go add subscriber, add or update subscriber, add a new subscriber to an audience of your choosing. That is basically good. Right now, map the buyer's email and name. You can also add tags, this is quite optional based on product purchase. Then test the automation and hit publish. And that's the whole idea. Now every Gumroad buyer joins your Mailchimp list automatically. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.